you know, sometimes there are things that I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna review that. I'm gonna review that today. Oh yeah. Normally, when products come, we have such a backlog that it takes us a couple weeks before we get to review them, and then of course it's like a week or so before you guys get to see them. But I'm this like arrived yesterday, and I'm reviewing it today because I just want to use it. That's all. So this is it. Big box. Ready? I'm gonna put this up somewhere. See that? I got the top camera, but that's not even useful, right? This is it. Check it. You know, it's a foot massager. Yeah, this is gonna go up in the upstairs office. So when Mary and I are using that machine, yeah, that's happening. All right, so we're gonna talk about their website, see what this gizmo has, why it's gonna be awesome, and then I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm putting this down on the floor because it's just too big. It's just too big of a box. So, Miko Foot Massager. That's kind of it. Product features. Ready? Product features. Adjustable air compressor. Yeah, compression, not compressor. Compression pressure. Reflexology rolling nodes. Ultra soft washable foot inserts. Wireless remote with magnetic placement. Switchable heat, LCD touch panel. Everything that my feet are looking for. Oh yes. Also upgraded with convenient wireless remote and magnetic placement. Version 2, I guess, foot massager. Provides gentle warmth and steady pressure to soothe away stress. Oh yeah. And re-energize your mind and body. It's one more reason to love coming home. Well, I barely ever leave the home, so it's one more reason for me to just stay here, I guess. Let's look at their website. This is the Miko, I guess, Shiatsu Foot Massager. Switchable heat, patented massage technology, 360-degree air compression, fully customizable home massage experience. Now, it comes in charcoal gray, silver, and I guess a white. What color did I get? Don't care. I don't care. Oh, it looks fantastic. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna open it down here, and then I'll bring it up here for you guys, okay? I wish you could see all this. So first off, it's a lovely, hold on. It's a lovely opening. You guys maybe see that? Right? A lovely little opening. Welcome to Miko. We're here to encourage wellness. Little bit of about them, you know? That's nice. You get a first things first, activate your additional warranty. Okay. And the relaxation guide. That's a little bit of info on the remote. Sweet deal. Break-in period. Okay. It takes a few uses for your foot massager to work its best. The heat and air pressure improve as you use it. It's Y2, not version 2. Y2 achieves true performance within 7 to 10 uses. Relax with a hot tea after your massage. Nice hot tea. Okay. I do enjoy a tea every once in a while. Okay. First off, ready? Oh man, it's like the future. So power cable, yes. Other half of your power cable, and I'm not even sure what these are. Oh, this is the remote. Do you get two remotes? I'm not sure. Scan the QR code to get your 1 year of Miko Care for free. Okay, hold on. So one part of this is the second part of the power cable, and then you get just two remotes, just in case you lose one. Yeah, that's nice. Looks like two remotes right here. Yes, two remotes. And my guess is that you just pull this out to activate the battery. So my guess is I'm gonna not do one of them, right? And so that the battery stays fresh, and then just use the one. That's That's what I'm thinking. And then, last but not least, you do get a crumpled up, sort of crumpled up, foot massager user manual, but everything is large, easy to read. Kneading, massaging, heat, air pressure. It's funny because, you know, you look at control. Oh, that's the control panel. So if I'm gonna move this. There we go. Control panel. So you can do everything from here if you so choose, right? But it has a little thing here that says attach the remote control here. Oh, for those of you that are like, no. Oh, it's a magnetic, so the remote just stays there. Check, then you can just, so you don't lose the remote. Smart. That's smart. All right, guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna try this out, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you how much bliss I was in, or pain. I don't know. One of the two. Okay, so we have been using this now, and I'm just shifting this again. We've been using this little foot massager thing for a couple days. I'm back. It's fantastic. You know, they said that it takes 7 to 10 times for it to kind of break in, and I probably used it that many times in the first day because I kept using it, and I was upstairs editing video on the computer, and I just had my feet in it. Every once in a while, I'll just be like, I'm gonna turn that on because it's nice. Because the room I edited in upstairs, it's kind of wintry right now, sort of, you know, December, and that room gets cold, fairly cold. So even the fact that it has a little bit of heat, now it's not hot heat, it's warm. You can feel it, right? So it's not crazy. It does have a couple levels of like intensity. So it seems to have 3 different styles, I think it is, of how it massages your feet. And then it has, I think it's 5 levels of intensity on like how hard it actually does it. At this point, my feet were actually sore yesterday. Between the 3 and the 4 is what I haven't gone up to the full one yet, but between 3 and 4, very nice, very nice. My daughter has tried it. She kind of just gave me one of these. Is it good?
It's nice.
It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's what she gave me. My wife has tried it. She's actually upstairs working right now, and she's got it right there. So Mary, is it a win?
Yeah, that's a win for sure.
Yeah. No work now for the next 20 minutes?
No.
So it's great. We actually have it in an area that it's very convenient for us to use. And it's just a simple plug-in, so you can kind of move it around. And the actual power cable is nice and long, which is also really good. Remote, just so you know, like it was down, of course, down underneath the desk. So if you try to use your remote up here, it didn't work. It really kind of needs like line of sight, so you kind of have to get it over top of it. But once it was in that range, it was fine. Lets you do all the features that you need. I like it. I like it a lot. I can see myself using this a fair bit, and I think it'll be a great purchase if you're looking for one. Plus, it seems to have a decent warranty. Build quality seems nice, and as far as a foot massager goes, it looks somewhat stylish, I guess. All right, guys, a link's down below to where you can pick it up, and I'm gonna leave you there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.